Welcome to Geography Learner. In this video, I will discuss about the different types of tides. Tides are classified on various bases, so they have different classification. Our first classification is according to the tide generating forces. We know our planet Earth and its natural satellite Moon attract each other and they rotate and revolve regularly. So, the side of the Earth closest to the Moon experiences the Moon's strongest gravitational pull, and this causes the sea to rise. This is called primary tide or direct tide. On the opposite side of the Earth, centrifugal force, which is generated due to the rotation of the Earth, is stronger than Moon's gravitational pull. So, centrifugal force causes water to rise up as the water tides. This is called secondary tide or indirect tide. We also classify the tide on the basis of lunar phase. According to the lunar phase, tides are two types such as spring tide and neap tide. Spring tides also have two subdivisions. Spring tide. The highest high tide are known as spring tide. They occurred at new moon and full moon. On those days, the sun and the moon are almost in a straight line with the earth. This alignment of sun, moon and earth is known as syzygy. Spring tide occurred in two different positions of the moon on its orbit. Firstly, on a full moon day, the earth lies in between sun and the moon, and this alignment of sun, moon and earth is called opposition. So, the side of the earth facing the moon experiences lunar primary tide and solar secondary tide. On the side facing away from the moon experiences solar primary tide and lunar secondary tide. So, the attraction of the sun and the moon causes high tide during full moon. This is one type of the spring tide. On the new moon day, the moon lies between the sun and the earth. This alignment of sun, moon and the earth is called conjunction. In this position, the sun and the moon's combined pull is effective on the earth at the same point. So, the side of the earth facing the moon and the sun experiences lunar and solar primary tide. At the same time, opposite side of the earth experiences lunar and solar secondary tide. So, this results highest spring high tide during new moon. After the 7 days of spring tide, the sun and the moon are at right angles to each other in relation to the earth. So the gravitational pull of sun cancels that of the moon. This produces tides known as neap tide, meaning that high tides are little lower and low tides are little higher than the average. Those tides were classified on the basis of lunar phase. Besides this, there are another two types of tides. We know moon revolves around the earth in elliptical orbit. So, once about every 28 days, moon reaches closest point to the earth. This is called perigee or perigee. During this period, there will be an increase in the average ranges of tide. This is called perigee tide. Conversely, about 14 days following the perigee, the moon reaches its farthest point to the earth. During this period, there will be a decrease in average range of tides. This is called apogee or apogee tides. Please like this video. Your subscription is most valuable to me and it also encourage me to make new videos. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.